All right, so by this time tomorrow, a snowstorm will be hitting all of western Massachusetts. More than a foot of snow is expected in some towns. 22 News reporter Mike Mascadrelli found out how state and local plows are preparing for Sunday's big storm.
We'll be kicking off December with a snowstorm. What do you have to say to that?
Better than Halloween. From the past.
It's been a while since we've had to deal with a significant snowstorm in western Massachusetts, but that will change this weekend. The 22 News Storm Team issued a severe weather alert for a multi-day snowstorm beginning Sunday and ending Tuesday morning.
It makes it a little bit of a pain in the neck when it doesn't dump all in one day, but we'll deal with it. It's New Englanders.
Local DPWs will have crews working non-stop to keep the roads clear for drivers.
Agawam's DPW has a plan in place to clear all of the snow. They said it's going to be all hands on deck come Sunday, but they're ready for this storm.
The foreman up front and the superintendents, they do an excellent job year after year. These guys have been doing it for 30 plus years. They do an excellent job of coordinating and getting us together, and everybody knows exactly what they're supposed to do when they're supposed to do it.
Black Act told 22 News they will be pre-treating the roads with sand and salt before the first flakes fall Sunday. MassDOT is also prepared for the big storm. They have 3,900 pieces of equipment and 2,000 plows ready to clear snow from state highways. If you have to drive Sunday or Monday, be sure to take it slow and allow plenty of space between you and the plows. In Agawam, Mike Mascadrelli, 22 News.